It's Friday. It's actually Friday after Thanksgiving, so that makes this the busiest shopping day of the year, right? And how many of you actually went out and decided to brave the Black Friday sales? Hopefully a lot of the smarter ones, you decide to stay home and take care of the stuff online. However, one of my longtime viewers and one of my longtime supporters seems to have taken care of it for me, because there's a rather large box, no tree required. Okay, so suffice it to say, it's a mystery box, of course. Duh. I mean, hello, how many of these have we done so far, right? So anyway, but the question is, what is inside the box? That's the important question. And from what I've been told, it is my early Christmas present. So I figured, hey, why not share this festive spirit of the season and share my unboxing with you all and let you know what's all inside this box. And I was told it was a very good surprise, so heaven knows he hasn't let me down yet. I mean, in case you haven't been following, if you follow our good supporter friend Highlander, if you follow him on Twitter, Old Norseman84, he's been posting pictures of his new rig I think it was named Project Snowblind. I'll link to his Twitter page down below so that we can take a look at it. Also, I'll link to our Discord channel for the House of Randomness chat in case you want to come in and chat with us online at any point in time. I've got a small group. It's not a very big Discord group, but I've got a lot of nice friendly people there. So, by all means, come in, hang out, and share the randomness love with everybody. So, without further ado, let's see what's in this box. I am honestly quite eager to find out, because he's been messaging me all day going, did you get it yet? Did you get it yet? It's like, I've actually been at work all day, so I haven't really had a chance, but thankfully my loving wife went over to pick this up for me, so that way I could take a look and see what's inside. Oh, this is cool. Right off the bat, it's a really cool surprise here. He sent me a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. That's kind of cool. It's a service to where you can actually $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. Nice. I'll definitely give that a try. Thank you very much. Okay, so I see... Ooh, hello. I think I see what it is. Packed in with a lot of air pillows. Lots of air pillows. Whee! Woo! Oh, this is neat. This is cool. Ooh. I like this. This is very nifty. This is the Rosewell Neon K51 mechanical gaming keyboard. Very cool. Thank you very, very much. That blows me away. That's very pretty, and it's a 10 key keyboard too. 19 key anti-ghosting, 8 backlight colors, 20 million keystrokes. Nice. Very, very cool. Well, wouldn't be a proper unboxing if we didn't take it out of the box. So let's take it out of the box, shall we? See, inside we have the user manual. Tells you all about it, what all the functions are. And we'll take that off. It's really nice. Wired keyboard, I like. I was wanting a nice little bit fancier keyboard, so. Oh, okay. That's nice. I like that. So a lot of keys are very soft. So it's a mechanical keyboard. Let's take this. And it also comes with it's over my ever-growing pile of plastic. Put that over here also. Looks like it comes with a like a wrist rest. Basically kind of locks in front of that, so that way yeah, I really like that. So the wrist rest is, you know, plastic, which is fine, but it provides you a support for your wrists. Got a good heft to it, so yeah. And it's got two. Well, it's got one. It's got feet that swivel up, so we can place it to where you can tilt it up. But it's a full 10-key keyboard, which is nice because I've seen people that use 10 keyless keyboards, and for like space reasons. But I prefer the ones that have the 10 key on the side, so that's really, really cool. So I think what we'll do is we'll plug this in and we'll show you some close-ups of how this keyboard actually looks. So this is like just one of the effects that it has. This is one of the rainbow effects, and that is really, really cool. You know, I have never had a backlit keyboard before. Okay. Oh no, that's cool. It's kind of a strobe effect in varying colors. So the function key helps do the different kinds of colors. So if you do the function and if you do the function in 5, it actually cycles through the different colors like rainbow. And then if you do like 1, or if you do 2, or you do 3, and 3 is the one that does the breathing, I think. Breathing, cycling through all the colors. And 4 is the strobing of various colors. And 5 is solid color. 6, kind of like that. 7, it's kind of like a fade effect, I think. Oh, that's cool. So 8, oops. So whenever you punch a key, it's like if you're like doing a lot of rapid key typing. That's kind of neat. And let's see, what else do we got? So go back to the 1. So yeah, that is nifty. I'll include some B-roll shots of a close-up of this keyboard, so that way you can kind of see for yourself. But that lights up rather nice. I think for my very first backlit RGB keyboard, I'm not disappointed at all. So that is the... Let's put this back together. So that is the Roseville Neon K51 mechanical keyboard. As you can see, for a wired keyboard, it's definitely very, very nice. So that's going to go on my gaming system, I believe. It's going to add a nice little bit of sparkle to the day. I know, what can you say? Some people will probably say, you impress way too easy. But you know what? I'm thankful. It's got a nice reflective surface on it. It does not look cheap at all. I mean, not at all. I mean, to me, this is first class. I mean, this is great. So thank you. Thank you to my good friend Highlander for sending me an awesome keyboard as an early Christmas present. That is so, so very cool. And I like it because it's got the nice non-clicky keys, so this worked very, very well. So yeah. So thank you very much for the gift card and for the keyboard. I very much appreciate it. That is so, so cool. So what do you guys think of Roseville keyboards? Have you guys tried any of these, and what has your experience been with these? By all means, let me know down in the comments down below what your experiences have been and what you think of these kinds of keyboards. I mean, for me, I think it works rather well. It's going to make a nice replacement for my little $10 Walmart brand keyboard that I've been using for quite a while. It's kind of getting a little stale. So, nice upgrade. So, all right. That's going to do it for me. I'm going to get on out of here because it has been a long week. I am ready for the weekend. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, so who knows? There may be some more random stuff coming. As always, if you like this kind of content, go and smash that like button down below. If you haven't already and you want to see some more random stuff like this stuff right here, by all means, smash that subscribe button down there. Don't let it know what hit it. Until next time, hope you have a very wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate your holidays doing. I hope you have the best of them. Share time with friends and family and just make the most of it. So, as always, as I always say every time, live your life a little randomly each day, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day.